be one of my best kept secrets for adding dynamic flavors to all your meals. And it's simply to just season as you go along by using the Holy Trinity flavor method to create a delicious California avocado toast. It's gonna be so good. So the first thing we wanna do is wash our hands and wash our California avocado. There we go. So to really bring out the flavors of our toast, oh, so beautiful, we are gonna be using the Holy Trinity flavor. So what we're gonna do is just a balance of a little bit of salt, a little bit of sweet, and acidity to our toast. So let's peel back. Yeah, there we go. Oh, beautiful. Look at that, stunner. My God, love avocados. Get the seed out. There you go. Oh yeah, that's what we wanna see. All right, so to add in the flavors, we are gonna add a little bit of salt. We have the zest of the lemon right here to add that acidity. Perfect. And then we are going to add in a few cherry tomatoes. I already sauteed on the stovetop for about 5 minutes with a crack of salt. I just love how the California Avocados has the 20 nutrients and vitamins in here, and it just rounds it out by adding that healthy fat element. I just have to take a bite. Oh my gosh. This is so good. It's my favorite toast. All right. And I have one more recipe for you guys. Because we're right in the middle of California avocado season and they are so ripe and fresh, we are actually going to grill them, which is a little unexpected, but the flavor just adds this beautiful charredness to the meal. And you guys are gonna love it. It's a grilled California avocado salad with watermelon and arugula, so let's make it. Ooh, yeah. Gonna get the beautiful grill marks. Ah, 'tis the grilling season. So this looks beautiful right now. It's perfectly charred on one side, so I'm just gonna flip it and put it on the other. We don't need to grill the backs. You just wanna do it one on each side of the quartered avocados. Oh, how beautiful is that? Look at these gorgeous charred marks. Such a fun way to cook with avocados. So for our salad, we have our cubed watermelon. I'm gonna put some arugula on top. It adds this really nice bitterness to it. Some hemp seeds. There we go. And we're gonna add the balsamic, which gives it that nice sweet tanginess too. There we go. Oh, so good, you guys. Oh, so beautiful. Oh my God, yes. This just makes me so happy. Okay, let's take a little bite out of this. Oh my gosh. That is so good, you guys. All right, enjoy this recipe, you guys, and be sure to check for California on the label to ensure that you are enjoying locally grown California avocados all season long. Too good.